going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony here at the Breakout Daily. Thank you for tuning in. Guys, today we've got the February mail call from ComicTom 101. We're going to be diving into these guys. This is our third month in a row. For the last 2 months, we picked up 2 boxes to see what we get. As you guys know, there are some exclusives. We're going to talk about the print runs on some of these books, crack them open, see what we got. Let's dive into it. So this month, according to ComicTom 101, if you do buy these mystery mail call boxes, you can go to the print count to kind of see what you possibly could get. And this month, there's an exclusive by Alex Maleev, the Thor 20. I believe this is a second print, but it's a variant. We've got Stray Dogs. We've got Hell Sonia. What else do we got? I think Space Cadet, Third Wave. And those are the exclusives that we're going to see today. Thor 20, the Alex Maleev cover, is limited to 2,443. The Stray Dogs, Dog Days #1, Tony Fleece and Trish Forstner is limited to 2,472. Hell Sonia cover A, cover art done by Ben Temple Smith, is limited to 666. And then you have cover B, which is limited to 294, cover C, 230. And then there is Third Wave 99 Karate Kid Homage, cover art by Nate Johnson, limited to 216. And then Space Cadet Watchmen Homage by Nate Johnson, limited to 3,000. So we're going to see what we got in here. Of course, if you guys aren't familiar with the ComicTom 101 mystery mail call boxes, go to ComicTom 101. You guys can get the full details. But what I will tell you is this: there is a ton of really good exclusives. You get some fun books thrown in, and then you have the opportunity to get some limited art prints. You have the opportunity to get some bigger books if you're just so happen to pull the Polaroid picture. And then you also have the opportunity to get the golden ticket. Now, the golden ticket is a discount ticket for CBCS. It is for modern tiers. I actually utilized that, and it got me $16 off per ticket for my submission to CBCS. I ended up doing a 2-day modern. We're going to dive into that in a different video. Ultimately, I had 2 tickets, saved me $32 on that order, which is another thing that we could possibly get inside of one of these mystery mail calls. So they did update these guys. It's pretty cool. The new cover here. Let me show you guys this. Dig it. Enough said. These are some thick boys. I feel like this is durable. This is pretty durable. So we got 2 of these boxes. Let's see what we got. We got the Kershaw out today. We're going to crack this guy open. One of the things, so just to show you, I did not open these, so I don't know what's in them. I appreciate, I've said this many times over, the black bag treatment. Anyways, I'm pretty sure that this cardboard, I don't know what the mill thickness is, and I doubt it says it unless it's printed. No. But this is a pretty thick boy. Hot damn, comic fam. I didn't even notice that. It says it on the bottom. Some of the key sayings from our friend ComicTom 101. Excuse me. All right, here we go. So I'm going to pull the bag. There is a lot of cool things. You also got the opportunity, I didn't mention this, digital comics. So we do have Zenobor, which is a comic tag you can use through Scout Comics. I've got several of these. So that must be this month's. And I've gotten different ones even within the same month. We have the Nate cover. So this is cool. This is one thing I do dig. This comes in variations of the art and the design, but it does tell you on the back kind of what you're in store for and what your possibilities. So again, February mystery mail call, Thor 20, First God of Hammers, the Alex Maleev, the Dog Days, Dog Day 1, I Know What You Did Last Summer variant, the Space Cadet, Watchmen homage, already mentioned that, Third Wave, 99, Karate Kid, exclusive, the Batman Whatnot print, so that's a possibility, I guess. And then there is a big key. It's only showing one for this month, which is the Star Wars 8.5. If you guys will follow ComicTom on IG, you'll see that there was others that look like there's some TMNT stuff. Let's dive in and see what we got. I've never won a big key from ComicTom or anyone, so maybe this is my lucky month. We'll see. First out of the gate. Oh, that's cool. That's actually pretty dope, man. This Black Panther 505 of 1500 print. That's sick. That may be my favorite right now with that king, the crown. So that is super cool. We have the Thor 20. Beautiful cover. I love this Alex Maleev cover. And then we have, let me scroll back up. It's a little easier for me to catch it. This is the Hell Sonja #1 A cover, limited to 666. We have an oversized Whatnot flyer with the Batman print on it, 1978 of 2500. That's dope too. I do dig that. All right, let's see what else we got in this. Oh, another golden ticket. So again, it tells you on the back, pick up to 5 modern books and include this golden ticket. Submit the comics and then add comic, fill the info in for the 5 books. So it's the same as you would generally submit to CBCS. You're just going to slide this into your pack. It'll get you $16 off, which is cool. I mean, I'm not going to complain about saving some money if you're going to use CBCS. If you're not going to use CBCS, give it to someone that is. I know a couple of people that did that. Anyways, here's the Stray Dogs Dog Days. I Know What You Did Last Summer homage, which is pretty cool. Glary, very glary, very nice cover. Let's see. Oh, this is dope. This is Green Arrow #13, but this is probably the coolest Green Arrow cover. Kevin Smith, Phil Heister, and Andy Parks. I'm not familiar with this, but there it is. This is one of the books that just gets thrown in as a part of the mystery mail call. That is cool. I love the art on that. And then we've got the Space Cadet issue #1. This is the kid friendly. I'll actually give this to my kid. And so that's box #1. So Space Cadet, Green Arrow, Stray Dogs, Dog Days, the I Know What You Did Last Summer homage, Batman, Hell Sonja, cover art by Ben Temple Smith, A cover, limited to 666, the Alex Maleev variant of Thor 20, and a really cool Black Panther. So that was box #1. Again, so the box itself, I believe, is $35, and then I always get this jacked up. It's I believe the price is very affordable if you're into mystery boxes. And then I did get the golden ticket, so it saves me $16 for CBCS. Okay, here's another. Here's #2. Black bag once again, of course. Hopefully we're picking up some different stuff here. Let's see what we got. Concrete Jungle is the comic tag with this one. And then, of course, the same kind of explanation. Let's see what we get out of the gate. Oh, sweet. Third Wave 99. That is super cool. I actually got the other Third Wave I bought from ComicTom, so that's limited to 216. This is the Karate Kid homage. Another issue of Space Cadet. They must be getting rid of Green Lantern because here is another Green Lantern, issue #67. A lower count on the Batman, 569 of 2500, which is super cool. Okay. And then the Alex Maleev, Thor 20. And a lower count on the Black Panther, 231 of 1500. And Stray Dogs, the I Know What You Did Last Summer homage. So both boxes this month, very, very similar. Not a lot of, actually, yeah, so I must have got the third wave. So in this one, I got the limited edition third wave as opposed to the Hell Sonia book, which is fine. Not a lot of diversity, though, in this month. I am in consideration on dropping the second box just because of the multiple copies of the same book. Not that I'm opposed, but as I mentioned before, I've got, Space Cadet, one for my kid, but then I've got an extra 2 of the Stray Dogs. So hopefully this pops and I can resell them or gift them to someone. But ultimately, I still feel like 3 months in a row, guys, I feel like overall, this is a good business proposition or value proposition for the books I'm getting. If you break it down, let me go back to it. I believe with shipping, is it $42? I could be wrong. Let's do this. Oops. Come on. I believe it's like $42. So in this case, we got some art, several comic books. And again, I guess it depends on what you're looking for. So we'll leave it at that, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Check out the breakout